All right, welcome back everyone to George James and Associates Research Tools channel. We just finished transforming our first um, dichotomous variable, and so now we're going to move on and continue with these categorical variables. So just like the last one, what I'm going to do here, and this also gets kind of interesting if we're not going to have enough. Um, let's go back to our original questionnaire and see what we put in there for ethnicity. I don't even know how in ethnicity, how did they get, oh, sorry, not ethnicity, race. That's why, because I allowed the other category. Okay, so I'm going to transfer those back to the ones that were other. I'm going to transfer back. But first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort. Okay, yep, a lot of white. Okay, so things like this, I'm going to just do other. And then, yeah, that's fine. And then that'll just be blank. Okay, so African American is 1. Um, I'm probably going to combine these into one because again, you've got to have enough observations. I mean, I could lump them with the other category. You know, I'm probably going to do that. So African American is going to be a 1. Caucasian is a 4. The vast majority. American Indian, Alaskan Native. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do this right now, where I'll just put in the and then Asian American, Pacific Islander is 3. So just to check, and then whenever we do the next step, I will then start collapsing these into different categories. That's what I do. And then 5 is this one. And I guess here I could just put 6 because this was technically the prefer not to say. So that's fine. I can just do that. All right. And then go back to response ID or response order. And then, yeah. Actually, what happens if I do largest to smallest? Is it going to fix it that way? Oh, not quite. Not quite. For some reason, this one's on top. That's fine. Yeah. So then, yeah. So cut that. Put there. And then delete this. All right. So it's a. Oh, we messed that up. Okay. Yep. Messed that up. Try again. Okay, so now the 2 are on the bottom. That's fine. Oh, insert cut cells. Yeah, there we go. And then yeah, we usually want the other one on top. That's fine. Like that. Yep. It doesn't really matter a whole lot. I'm probably doing a lot more work than I need to on that. But that's fine. Again, you just want to make sure that you know what side is up. So response order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way down to 90 in our case. Yep. Okay. Because you just want to be able to go back to the original data order, the ordering of the observations. All right. So where are we at? This somehow got messed up. Okay, so we're gonna do, when that happens, is we're gonna go back. Okay. Okay, 1. All right, so now we have 6. Okay, here we go. All right, so now So now we're going to do it properly. Go to response order. And we're going to do this. And then, yeah, we're going to do this. Okay. I think because I tried sorting it largest to smallest and then smallest to largest and so on. No, that's not good. I don't know how these got, yeah, these got severed right here. Yeah, you just got to be very careful because I think, okay, and I'm assuming it's these it's these top two rows here. So let me see. Let me go back. Wow, okay. So it was before then actually. And this part of this too, you know, it may make more sense for me to just delete, to just have the, yeah. This is the problem with having two, especially when you don't have that many questions, of having two rows that are title rows. Excel doesn't really do a good job of that. Okay, I'm going to pause this video really quickly and unscrew this. Okay, it's when I started down the race path, so transforming race. So I'm going to need to do that again. So since this is causing issues, it's really not that important, in my opinion, to know which one of these are like the question 18 first click, last click, right? Timing. And I mean, what I can do, so this is what you do in this case actually, is we're gonna combine these two into a single row, and then we're gonna freeze it, and then after we freeze it, it should not be sorted. The titles shouldn't be in the sorting. The first row is what I meant, the title row, or whatever, the columns. Okay, start date. These are the same. These are the same. I don't care about that. Progress, duration, finished. Okay, recorded date, response ID, order, consent, industry, and yeah. Okay, so yeah, service category, birth year, age, gender, race, ethnicity, marital status, education, income. Okay, so Q8 or Q18. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this and just bring that down. I don't even know if I'm going to be using these. Okay, what is going on? Why it's being stupid. There we go. Last click. There we go. Okay. So again, I don't know if I'm going to be using all these, but I just want to make sure that I know, oh, that's... Okay. So this is worker problem, WP, all the way to 10. And then here we're going to do question 31 timing. And the same thing here. I can also change it up here. Maybe it's easier to do it that way. So question 31, question 31, question 31. And then question 31. Okay. And then manager problem 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now I have everything that I need in that second row, and I'm just going to delete this because it's just causing more problems than it's solving. And now I can freeze, so view, freeze panes, freeze top row. There we go. All right. So now I want to check something really quickly, and I want to make sure that this does not go back to the home tab. I want to make sure that this stays. largest to smallest. Good deal. All right, which is exactly what we wanted. Cool. So then we'll just go back. All right, perfect. So 1 all the way down through 90. Good. All right. Okay, so that solves that problem. And that's going to happen when you're analyzing your data, unfortunately. So I know how frustrating that is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to, I'm going to do this again. I'm going to pause. I'm going to actually end the video here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put us back into where we were before the screw up happened.